Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up GitHub Codespaces with PayPal checkout. Alright, let's begin. First, go to the PayPal developer website and hover over Docs. Navigate to Online, then Checkout and Integrate. Click the Open in Codespaces button, but before you click it, make sure you have a PayPal developer account. You will need it for your sandbox credentials. If you don't have one, click Login, sign up, and follow the prompts. Once you've sorted out the admin side, click the Open in Codespaces button. This will redirect you to GitHub, where you can leave the default selections. All that's left to do is add your PayPal client ID and secret. To get this information, click on the link, and it will take you to your Sandbox API credentials. Now, copy your client ID and secret key from the default application. Once you've added these credentials, click Codespace. It will take about a minute to load, so you can enjoy a quick break while it sets up. After loading, your screen should look like this. If you don't see a pop-up, simply click the localhost link. This will take you to your standard integration page where you can begin testing. So that's basically how you can set up GitHub Codespaces with PayPal checkout. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.